The E05 error code in a candy washing machine signifies a problem with the water heating system, meaning the laundry won't receive the desired warmth during the wash cycle. As the water in the drum doesn't heat up, this issue can be caused by several factors, including a faulty water temperature sensor or NTC, which measures the water temperature and sends information to the control board. If it malfunctions, the board may not receive accurate readings, leading to incorrect heating or the E05 error. A heating element issue can also be the culprit, as the element itself could be faulty and unable to heat the water effectively due to internal damage, mineral buildup, or loose connections. Additionally, loose connections between components can disrupt communication within the machine, resulting in the E05 error. To resolve this issue, it's essential to check the NTC sensor by consulting the user manual to locate it. And if it's visibly damaged or disconnected, consider replacing it, while proceeding cautiously to avoid any risks. It's also crucial to inspect the heat element for physical damage or burn marks, and perform a continuity check using a multimeter to check for continuity in the element. If the element is damaged or faulty, replacement by a qualified technician is necessary. Furthermore, checking for loose connections around the water temperature sensor, the heating element, and control board, and gently tightening them with the appropriate tools, can also help resolve the issue. If the error persists, it's recommended to contact a certified appliance repair technician for a thorough diagnosis and resolution.